What is up, my achievers? Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Isaac Medina, and on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys an AI tool that has been underrated since I found it. I've been using it probably close to a year, maybe a little longer than that, but it's been an amazing tool and it's underrated. And of course, everyone is going to think ChatGPT. Yeah, to a certain extent. But the tool that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is called WordHero. And this tool is amazing for anyone who is wanting to start an online business and they need some help generating ideas, generating content. This tool is going to save you time and money, and I'm so grateful that I found it, and I believe that you can still find it on, let's head over to AppSumo and see if we can still find it there, because that's where I found it at, was AppSumo. So let's take a look and see if it's still here. WordHero, and let's see if it's still available. Yep, it's still available, guys. I would pick this tool up right away. It's worth it. WordHero is underrated, but yet it's still helping me. And now they've added new enhancements to it, like GPT-4, and they included this new art feature that is amazing. And I've been playing around with it, and wow, guys, I'm just blown away at what they were able to do by integrating ChatGPT into it when it already had so many AI capabilities itself. But now with the new enhanced version with ChatGPT in it, it's outstanding. And I believe the makers of WordHero are doing a great job. And so I definitely recommend WordHero. It's only $89 for their basic plan, which I would start off with that if you want to start off with that, but you're probably going to end up upgrading to plan 2 or plan 3. So yeah, let's take a look at what it can do. So obviously everyone knows that we can go into ChatGPT and basically write anything and it'll spit back everything that we need. But sometimes if you're using the 3.5 version, for those who don't have the plus version, you'll get a message saying that, oh, it's busy or come back later. But with WordHero, you're not going to get that. There's so many features in WordHero. For example, you can create blog outlines, blog intros. You can even create news paragraphs. The tool that I use a lot with WordHero is probably going to be the video ideas, the video titles. I like coming into WordHero and using it for creating my tick descriptions and my TikTok like headers. For if you head over to where my TikTok channel is, let me find that for you guys. You'll quickly see that I have, like, in some of my videos, like these taglines up here, like right here. And that's where I usually get my taglines is WordHero. And so that's helpful there. I like using that, but let's take it for a spin and see what it can do without the AI that they added to it. So for example, I'm going to come in here, I'm going to pick the category business, and I'm going to come up with a couple of brand names. Let's see what it can do with brand names. So you got to write a short description, describe your business, products, or service. So I'm going to put in here affiliate marketing. And then the keywords are obviously going to be affiliate marketing. And then I'm going to do making money online, put side hustle. Okay, so I guess you're limited to certain characters. So I'm just going to put those two there. And I'm going to hit write for me. And then the AI is going to start writing for me a couple of ideas that it has for me with a couple of brand name ideas. And so let it go for a spin. And it's only going to usually take a couple seconds. And there it is. A Philly eagle evokes the image of an eagle, symbolic for its sharp vision and precision, essential traits in affiliate marketing. Okay. Profit pulse. Ooh, I like that one. Profit pulse. Okay. click crust, revenue route. Ooh, I like that one. And link leverage. These are great ideas. I like personally profit pulse and revenue route. I like that one. I like those two. So I'm going to give it a star, save it for me in my favorites, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. That way WordHero gets updated saying that these were great ideas, and they'll just keep up the good work with that. And you can go ahead and copy it. And then sometimes I like to just basically create a Google Doc for myself and save these ideas for later, because you never know. So I'm going to highlight the ones that I like personally. And that way, when I do come back to it at a later time, I'll remember, okay, I highlighted the ones that I liked, and I'm going to do something with those pieces of content that it wrote back for me. So I'm going to save that, and I'm going to actually ideas or later that, and I'm going to put the date that. So yeah, I'll come back to this later and do some work with it. So yeah, so that's one of the ideas or things that it does. You can write product descriptions if you guys are into Amazon, FBA, all that, or you own a Shopify e-com site. You guys can come in here and let's say, so short description, name and description of your product or service, include important features, if any. Okay, so the example they're using is WordHero AI content writing tool, easy to use interface. So I'm going to say, like, I have a t-shirt brand, so I'm going to say like living the life, buy one, the last on one. Because with my brand, Living the Life Apparel, I like to basically, I'm going to be updating it to, if you buy a t-shirt, I'm going to be giving away a t-shirt to someone who's less fortunate than you are. So yeah, we're blessing someone later. So tone of voice, want the AI to write in optional. Okay, so I'm going to put passionate. So I want it to be in a tone that is passionate. And if you notice, before I hit the button there, it had the ideas that it had generated before when we were doing our other project of the brand name. And so now it generated a product description. So experience the perfect blend of style and empathy with Living the Life Apparel's Buy One, Bless Someone Later campaign, radiating an unmatched charm and a warm feeling of generosity. Our clothing line represents more than just fashion. It embodies compassion to its utmost essence. Guys, like, that is outstanding. That is awesome. I love this description. I'm going to come back here and save it into my little bank that I have here for later. Product descriptions, save that in there, and I'm going to go back to my WordHero. Yeah, dude, that is awesome. And one of the things that I forgot to mention was I like this WordHero a lot because a lot of the time everyone and their mother is using ChatGPT, which is, hey, props to you. Not dissing anyone, but I'm just saying that even I use it. So I'm just saying that everyone is using it. So therefore, what are the chances of the content already being used somewhere else? More likely here. Yes. Everyone who's using ChatGPT, probably going to find the content online already somewhere, somehow. But with WordHero, it's still in its, I guess people would call it startup stage. Therefore, the content is more likely to be not plagiarized already. So it's not being used as much online than it is with ChatGPT. So that's another benefit of WordHero that I like. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to do some of the new tools, the new enhancements that they have. Oh yeah, look at that. Quora answers. You guys can set up a Quora account and start answering some of these questions that people have. And you come in here and just put in the question they have and it'll spit back an answer. That's a great way to drive traffic to your site because people are going to see your answer and they're going to be like, oh yeah, who's this Isaac guy? Oh, he has AIDadpreneur.com. Okay, let me check that out. Things like that. The more questions you answer on there, that'll drive traffic to your site. So yeah, the new features that they've added that I like is chat. That's one of them. So you can do, hello, Isaac, I'm WordHero, your AI writing assistant. How may I help you today? So what is this? Turn on wizard mode, get higher quality copy by answering a few questions in a step-by-step format. All right, let's check that out. Okay, so sure, putting in on my wizard hat. How would you like to write today? Okay, well, I would like to write an article about making money online using WordHero. So when you start a new chat, it gives you this wizard mode. So if you're willing to sit and answer the questions, it's going to give you a great, amazing article. For me, someone who doesn't have much time, I would rather just ask it ask one prompt and I want it to give me the entire thing like ChatGPT does. So I went back and I decided, okay, I'm not going to use the wizard mode. And when I did that, boom, it gave me, so here's the prompt I used. I would like an article to help solopreneurs understand that WordHero is a underrated AI tool that could help them start and scale their online business in any niche, services, products, or information business. It could help them create websites and provide valuable content for any platform. So that was my prompt, and instantly, in like 10 seconds, it gave me an entire article, which is awesome. That's what I want. It gave me the title, it gave me the intro, it gave me some benefits, some points, and then it gave me the conclusion. I'm not going to sit here and read the whole thing, but I'm just saying that is what I want. That is awesome. So with the new feature that WordHero has in the chat, just go ahead and if you want to take the time, go ahead and use the wizard mode, but I'm not. I'm just going to put in one prompt like the one I provided here, and I'll put that in the description below, and boom, it instantly gives you an article right away with one prompt. That is what I'm talking about. And so, yeah, I'm loving this new chat feature that they have. One thing I forgot to mention, the old style is creating a long form writer. They do have that feature in here. So for example, let's say I want to start writing an article. And then so you click on this tool here, writing tools, and you can start picking some of the things you want help with that you want to use, like creating a general title, an intro, a conclusion, all that stuff. You can even create sales pages, sales call to action, headlines, all that stuff. This tool, I'm telling you, is underrated. It's literally, it should be getting an award. You guys can even write welcome emails. That is unbelievable. So you guys can sit here, play around with it, get to know it better. It's worth the AppSumo price, $89. Even if AppSumo finally closed it, it's still worth the monthly fee. Hands down, it's worth it. And then, so yeah, that's the old way of writing it. Now they got this new feature. You put in one prompt, boom, it gives you the article, and it has a history. That's awesome. And now I'm going to show you guys the new art AI generator that it could generate images. So what would you like to draw? So describe the image you want AI to draw. I put in there, I wanted a robot going to space, and I put in the image styling. I put space. Let's see, modern art. You can pick cartoon, digital art, futurism. I added digital media for the filter, and then I hit save, and it drew. It took a couple minutes or a couple seconds, and they came up with these ideas here. So I think all these ideas are awesome. I'm gonna download them. You can see download as zip. You can click on it and you can see what it came up with. That's awesome. Robot exploring space where no metal has gone before and probably shouldn't. That is awesome. So it's adding like a note to self, remember to bring spacesuit next time I go for a spacewalk. Robot in space floating, modern art, futurism, digital art. That's pretty cool. Houston, we have a stylish problem. Zero gravity, bad hair day. That is pretty cool. So that's another feature. So you can literally download this and use it for your blog post or article, and you'll be set to go. So I love that new aspect of it. And but yeah, that's pretty cool. You guys check out WordHero. It's an awesome tool. Even if you didn't get the lifetime deal, I would still recommend it on a monthly basis. But you're lucky that it's still on AppSumo. I would definitely come over to WordHero or AppSumo and check out WordHero. And I'll have a link to in the description below for the AppSumo deal. And I'll have a link to the site so you can check it out. I think they still have a free trial. You can check it out there. And obviously the links are going to be an affiliate link, and I do get a small commission out of them. But don't worry, it's not going to change your pricing at all. But yeah. So thanks for coming over to the channel and checking out my video on WordHero and how it's underrated. And I hope you guys have fun and use it and play around with it and get to starting your business and scaling it with AI. Thanks, guys.